Hi everyone, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we have the BCP voice command quadcopter. This is my maiden flight. I will begin by using the remote control. Thereafter we will go into the app and try to fly with it. It is supposed to have some interesting features, so I can't wait to test it out. So without further ado, let us get straight to business. Okay, ready for takeoff. Let's go. All right, takeoff here. Woo! We are airborne. Oh my goodness. It is, I think it needs some trimming. It is kind of a little bit difficult to control. It has a mind of its own, I could say. Where is it going? Oh my goodness. Oh no, what's happening? Oh la 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 la. Oh man, it went and I could not really control it using the remote control. So let's take it all over. It did crash. So hopefully everything is okay. Oh my goodness. This is disappointing. And this is the mid. Oh no, it looks like one of the motor is busted. Let's try again. Oh no. You guys know what that means. One of the motor is busted. For a maiden flight, this is actually not all that impressive. Let's try again to see if it will take off. Oh la 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 la. Wow. Yeah, and my goodness, you guys, it is absolutely advisable not to get the chippy chippies out there. Yeah, I just saw voice command and I thought, oh, this is a great feature. Let me test it out. And for the price, it was, attractive. And yeah, it is. It will not even fly for one battery life. Oh my goodness. Oh la 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 la. Anyway, I will have to, I don't know, see if I can repair it, but if not, okay. We will keep on flying other drones. Fly on, guys, fly on. Don't get deterred. Oh la la, I was really looking forward to enjoying this little quadcopter, but as you can see here, it looks like one of the motor is busted. So let me try and turn it on and see what happens. I believe one of the motor is busted. I hope it is not really busted, but maybe something just went out of place that I could quickly snap it in when I get in there. But for now, it doesn't seem like we will be going airborne today, guys. I'm sorry. Hopefully I can get it fixed and we will have to test it further. But for now, we are grounded. Not good. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I think I've tried enough for now. So let me see here. Oh yeah. Oh, one of the motor surely is busted. Not even 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or maybe even less than a minute of flight time I've had with this quadcopter. And yep, one of the motor is busted already. Chippy, chippy, chippy. Yeah, see guys, wait, let me start it again and you see one of the motor is busted, see, and this one to the left or right of the screen, the far right, yeah, it's busted. So I will go in there and see if I can fix it up, but for now guys, we have to stay grounded. Not good. I have to pull out something else.